Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be unboxing a new action camera which is Campark X40 UHD 4K action camera with the dual screen and also have the Wi-Fi controller. Please watch this video. Let's see what's inside the box, and I will also add some of the videos for you to judge the quality of this camera. This phone with the Wi-Fi, you need to go to the Google Play Store and then type the DV King 4K. So select that and then you have to install. So this is installed. So you have to allow this. So now it's connected without the internet. See, now I am back on the software and now it is connected. See, as you can see, I am moving my camera, and see this one I can see in my mobile. So this is all Wi-Fi connected. So that is the great feature of this camera. This is the normal audio quality check with this inbuilt microphone. So they have provided this collar microphone also. So now I will check how does that quality makes a difference. So this is the quality check with this mic. I hope you have some better quality of sound. So as you can see that And now the conclusion. If you just leave aside the brand name and just compare the features and the quality of the videos, then I will definitely give this action camera 10 out of 10. The three features which I definitely like that and you will also love, that is, one is the Wi-Fi wristband. You can put up your dash camera if you are a sports lover on your helmet or anything, and then control the photo and the video through your wristband. That is the best feature. And then the second one is it has a smartphone access. With the Wi-Fi you can attach your smartphone with this action camera, and then you can see the live view, you can record the videos and share those videos on your social media. So that's again a second best feature. The third one is within the just price tag of $90, you can get dual screen, so one on the front and one on the back, so which is again a very good. Then also the accessories it comes with, so which is nearly $100 of worth of the accessories it has. And then the lastly it comes with the collar mic. So if you are like enjoying your any blog or anything, you can do your commentary with the good quality of audio. So that's the thing. And also with just a $90 price tag you can use this camera as a dash camera also, or if you are a travel blogger you can just put it in your car and then record beautiful scenery outside. Hopefully you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and leave your comments.